Assalamualaikum to all viewers. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about the benefits or advantages of the natural user interface. What are the benefits or advantages of the natural user interface? In this video, we will discuss about that. So let's start it. We will see that. We have also a Google research about the advantages of the natural user research. Also having a Google, also having a my personal information about natural user interface. So let's start it. We will discuss that. Basically, the advantages of natural user interface is that the user interaction feels fun, easy, and natural because the user can use a broader range of basic skills compared to more traditional graphical user interface interaction, which mainly happens through a mouse and the keyboard. Which mainly happens through a mouse and the keyboard. What are the benefits of user interface? These are mostly five main benefits of the user interface design. Acquisition of a new customer. A successful UI design contributes to a positive user experience, which is a competitive advantage. Increased customer engagement and retention. Lower development cost, lower customer support cost, the increased productivity. These are almost five advantages of the well-designed user interface design. Natural user interface, which is used. Now we go on a website. You can see here the advantages of NUI is that the user interaction feels fun, easy, and natural because the user can use a broader range of basic skills compared to more traditional graphical user interface interaction, which mainly happen through a mouse and a keyboard. Too often people think that if they just use, for example, gesture interaction, the user interface will be natural. Nevertheless, if we consider something something con- consider something on the order of multi-touch gestures on the Apple iPad, we can see that the reality is somewhat more complex. So some iPad gestures come naturally and intuitively, swiping with one finger to the left or right, which is all parts of the magic that touch the scroll fingers, which we discuss that we will discuss that things in the digital world behave as they do in the analog world. Some gestures throw require more learning. A four finger swipe to the left or right. When you swipe to the left or right with four fingers, you will switch from one app to the next. The four finger swipe is not intuitive. It does not come naturally to us. Swiping with four fingers requires you as a user to learn it decidable as a user to learn it as a dedicated movement, because you need an understanding of the underlying system so as to understand the connection between the gesture and the action you are performing. If natural user interface are not just created by using modalities that come naturally to the user, how can we define what they are? You can see here, this is the natural user interface which is used in our life. The touch user interface of the iPad is often referred to an example of a natural user interface. Voice gesture touch does not necessarily natural user interface make Bill Buxton, principal researchers at Microsoft.